Namaste. In today's video, we are going to discuss about very important topic of twin flames, which is twin flames, anxiety and depression. Of course, the first thing that needs to be focused on here is to seek medical help and advice. In this video, we will dive deep into the reasons why twin flame anxiety happens. What are the situations that arise due to which anxiety happens? What to do about it? And how is your twin flame triggering you into this anxiety and depression? So, let's start. The first situation where this anxiety and depression freaking out may happen is that your twin flame is already committed to someone and it comes as a surprise to you, or when your twin flame is openly letting you know that he is to be committed or to be getting married with someone else. This is one of the reasons. Second is when there is a situation with your twin flame where both of you are not in contact with each other. There is a no contact situation between both of them. Third situation is when there is a lot of time gap between meeting of both of you. This can also be the reason. Other reason is when you feel that your twin flame might be trying to hide something or conceal something from you. Or it can also happen vice versa. If you are trying to conceal or hide something from your twin flame, it can trigger anxiety to them also. Remember that twin flames are connected to both of to each other energetically. So whatever one part does, it also has a direct impact to the other part. So this case, if you are trying to conceal anything or there is a sense of discomfort regarding anything in you, it will trigger anxiety in your twin flame also and cause him to run towards karmic or to any of the third parties. This vice versa can happen to you also. If any of the twin flame partners is experiencing or going through a traumatic phase in his or her life, this can also trigger anxiety in both of you, because when the twin flame, any of the twin flame is going through the traumatic event, it will have a direct impact on your relationship. So you might feel that your twin flame is behaving differently, or there is a change in his or her behavior pattern. This can also trigger anxiety in you or either of the partners. There is also one feeling that appears in your heart area. It is actually difficult to describe in words, but there is a sort of weird feeling that appears in your heart chakras, the space which is around your heart. Sometimes this feeling can appear as if it is fear based, or sometimes it can appear as if it is very insecure, a sort of insecure. It can also sometimes result in heart palpitations. All of these signal that something is not right either with you or either with your twin flame. I don't have enough words to describe, but the people who are going through this would understand what I'm trying to say here. This sort of feeling will actually disturb your daily schedules. It will have a direct impact on your body, mind, and your heart also. Even if you try to divert your mind to other things, this feeling won't go, and it will become to its maximum when you are going to sleep at night, when you are in a relaxed state. The only end result to get through this feeling is to face it, is to identify the reason why all of this has been happening. Reason can be something energetically is wrong with your twin flame, or something energetically is wrong with you, or something energetically is wrong within both of you. There can be an impact of negative energies also which can influence your relationship, or sometimes the collective energy also which can influence your relationship, which it becomes difficult to identify. So when we are not able to address all of these issues, it results in anxiety and depression and heart palpitations and all of these weird feelings. Another symptom in this case can be that you might experience a sudden sense of crying, a sudden sense of outburst of tears, a sudden sense of being into an emotional roller coaster when you think about your twin flame. This can also be a symptom of twin flame anxiety. Even some of the twin flames also experience body shaking and a shaking hands. The body might shake in its own manner. Sometimes twin flames also get scared as to what is happening to their body. First step, of course, is to seek medical advice. But the second thing that I would highlight here is that this can also be the symptom of twin flame anxiety. Another situation here is if your twin flame and you, both of you, are in a separation phase and the separation isn't getting over. You are going through dark night of the soul. You have been trying everything, each and everything, but still all of the things do not seem to end anywhere, and it seems that you are not reaching anywhere, as if you are stuck into a loop and things between you and your twin flame are not improving. This is also a symptom of this can also be a symptom of twin flame anxiety. When your twin flame says that he or she has found someone else, or he or she has is about to get married to someone else, this can also be a symptom of twin flame anxiety. The biggest reason why twin flames get anxiety is something is inside you that needs to be communicated to your twin flame, or you are trying to communicate to your twin flame, but the situation is that he is not able to understand what you are trying to say. So this frustration, when it arises within you, it also is the reason of twin flame anxiety. In most of the cases, mostly the divine feminines, the mistake that they do is that they try to explain the concept of twin flames to their counterpart when they are not ready for it. When such sort of thing comes to them, it feels very, very intense for them. It feels difficult to understand, and we divine feminines end up looking fools. Why are we trying to explain the concept to such a person? In this case, it is always good to give time and space to your twin flame to calm down the anxiety for yourself and to calm down the anxiety of your twin flame also, because anyways the universe will try its best to explain the twin flame concept to him. See, all the more they feel the intensity, they feel what all you are feeling. So when universe is trying to make them feel and make them realize the twin flame connection, why we have to be after their life to make them understand things. This uh, badly impacts the twin flame relationship and causes the your counterpart to run away. So please, I request you, do not keep yourself in pain. Give your divine masculines, your twin flame, time and space to understand this connection. Now I'll tell you about how this anxiety and depression, feelings of fear and insecurity manifest in your body. The first symptom here is you can experience low back pain because the feelings which are trapped inside you and are not able to be released. For example, when you are trying to explain your twin flame concept to your twin flame, but he is or she is not able to understand, this can form anxiety that can manifest in your body as a back pain. Lower back pain is the first thing. Second thing is the upper back pain. Third thing is shaking of the body, shaking, hands shaking while doing your work, and heart palpitations also. There can be a weird feeling in your stomach also sometimes. There can be a continuous a sense of heaviness around your crown chakra, that is around your head. when you are trying to suppress your feelings very hard inside. That is the cause of anxiety. This is second part of the video in which we are going to discuss how to handle this anxiety on your own. How to handle these unbearable situations manifesting in your body on your own so that it is beneficial for you and your twin flame. Uh, if you want to pause the video, you can go ahead and pause it and get a paper or a pen because there are some things that have to be noted down here. So let's start. Anxiety normally happens when you are trying to suppress the feelings inside you. When you are trying to communicate something to your twin flame and he or she is not able to understand the concept. The first thing that you can do here is you have to find out the ways which are comfortable to you in letting this out. The first thing by which you can let it out is you can write it in a journal or you can write it in a copy or on a paper, whatever is feasible to you. These days, our mobile phones act as the extended organs. You can write each and everything in your phone notes with an intent that you are letting all of this out. At first, there will be lot of uh, emotions coming up because the anxiety is already collected inside you, so there will be a lot coming up. So all of these feelings related to pain, all of the things which you feel that your twin flame did to you was never right, even write it down each and every day if you are feeling anything. Remember, twin flame energy exchange is very, very intense. Even if you are communicating on social media, that also acts as a form of energetic exchange. You have to be very, very careful while communicating with your twin flame because it is the energetic exchange. If you say something unconsciously that feels bad to your twin flame, first it is going to impact you. So better take care of your energies when take care of the energies which you are exchanging through social media. All of the pain which is coming out, write it down on a paper with the intent to release, or write it down in your phone notes with the intent to release. Second thing that you can do here is to ask for help from your spirit guides. See, all of us are working and we have very, very busy schedules. So, in such cases, when this sort of anxiety arises, it can be very difficult for us to go through our daily schedules. So, always ask help from your spirit guides. A simple method is whenever you are, wherever you are, in any situation you are, whether at your office, home, wherever, just set an intent and invoke your spirit guides. Just say it in your mind that you need help from them. Spirit guides can easily and immediately help you come out of these feelings. Keep the understanding of the twin flame aside, but the first is once you fix things inside you, your twin flame will automatically get fixed. You can ask your spirit guides to lend you some of their energy so that your heart and mind helps you to release all of this energy and get it fixed. Now the point comes, how do you make your twin flame understand about the twin flame concept? If not about twin flame concept, at least he or she should try and understand some part of it. The key here is that you need to meditate regularly to invoke his or her higher self. Remember, higher self is the highest, purest form of your twin flame soul. When your intuition knows, when you know that something is right and the other person is not able to understand or accept it, the first thing here is to directly connect with the purest form of his soul. His soul will also help you to connect to the purest soul of yours too, which is greatly beneficial in twin flame relationship. Remember, twin flame relationship is a relation of two souls. Even when the union happens, it happens first for the souls and then it happens in the 3D union in its own ways. So you have to invoke his higher self. Write letters every night to his higher self, explaining all your issues, explaining all your desires. And I am 100% sure that this is going to help you out. The very first benefit that you get of communicating their higher self is that your heart and mind comes at peace. The feeling of not being able to communicate with your twin flame when there is a no contact situation, when there is a separation, when your twin flame is already with the karmic, in all of these situations, when you find yourself detached from your twin flame but even not able to forget about them, instead of trying very hard, still you are not able to forget about them. In that case, the key here is always to invoke their higher self and work with them. I will also make a separate video on what happens when you invoke the higher self of the twin flame. So write letters every night to your higher self. Once the higher self of the twin flame is invoked, you can also talk to them in your mind day to day, and you will feel that energy clearly when you are communicating with your twin flame, when you are communicating on the social media. You will feel that energy very, very clear. See, the most important thing here that needs to be handled is your energy, is your heart, is the discomfort that you are feeling inside yourself. Once you are able to handle with this discomfort, only then you will be able to proceed forward in your twin flame relationship. So do not get stuck in this loop of anxiety and follow all of these steps. And remember, anxiety and depression happens when you are collecting all of the negative feelings inside you. Suppressing these feelings in a twin flame relationship is not a sign. If your twin flame is not listening to you, if your twin flame is not able to understand, there are ways by which we can do it. So try all of these ways. And if you think that this video is of help to you, please let me know in comments, or any of the situation if you need that I should make a video on it, I'll do that. If you think that there are other people who are going through this pain, please do share this video with them so that we all can be out of this twin flame pain collectively, and we all can proceed towards the union. Thank you so much. I wish divine union to all of you. God bless you. Namaste.